Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to read hotel review on booking.com. So if you want to read hotels review on booking.com, what you want to do is first thing first, you must have a booking.com account. You could use an app or a browser version as well. Now what you want to do is here, you want to open the booking.com app, then you just want to make sure to go ahead and select the hotel for which you wish to view the which you wish to read the review. All right, so what you need is here, you just want to make sure to go to the hotels or stay section. Then you want to find the location, right? You know this procedure. All right, now you just want to tap the search and you will be able to find a list of hotels registered to booking.com. What you need is next, you just want to make sure to go ahead and tap onto the particular hotel for which you want to read the reviews, right? You could also see the star. This means a rating, right? Now open that up. You just want to make sure to scroll down a bit, and there you will be able to find a guest review. This is the review, and at the bottom also you have these review. See, these comments are referred as review, and this is how you are going to read hotel review books. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.